This is a clear definition of I am cruising nicely, very nicely. That is me. Yeah. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is your girls today's look fit of the day. This is from Ladies Hope, and this is from Mr. Price, this is from Legit, and the Adidas shoes. And I'm from God and my parents and my sisters and so I'm currently going downstairs. I have to make sure that I make quickly. We are going off for a boat cruise. Bye, see you there. Okay guys, so we're heading to the bus right now, and the weather is refusing to do the things that need to be done, but I just hope that there won't be any kind of rain, because I feel like it's fine as long as it won't rain. I'm not ready for rain or anything like that. Anyway, let's go. We are gonna ride a bus. This is a clear definition of I am cruising nicely, very nicely. That is me. Yeah. Right in the boat. We cruising nicely. A real definition of I'm cruising nicely. It's something like 5 minutes to 12, and the boat is about to do the things that need to be done. just 5 minutes. 5 minutes to there. The real happening. Like, God, we are so grateful. Hi, brother. The UK queen, Namibian UK queen. And it's raining, guys. Yo! Happy Independence Day, America! Woo! Wait, is I was living too?
I was living.
Oh my god, we living nasty! Homo nut! I can hold on. I can hold your girl is hungry. I want to go get something downstairs. I'm actually waiting for my order. I ordered corn dogs, 3 of them. So yeah, like, who next? Like, the fellow brother.
Hey!
Hi there!
Mene Tonka! Mene Tonka!
loving memory. In loving memory of Debbie. I'm so sorry. Okay. Off to the beach. Off to the beach. I'm not gonna do anything at the beach because I didn't bring any swimwear. I knew that we're going to the beach, but I wasn't feeling like it. Why? Because I've been having some flu for the past weeks. Or for the past days, not weeks, for the past days, and I wasn't okay. I just want to check it out and then see what will happen. And it's so funny because it was still raining back then, like something like 30 minutes ago, but now it looks like a lie. Your laughter is The journey continues. Whew. So we are here at the beach, but unfortunately I'm not gonna show because some people are having the best time of their lives, so I don't need to be showing people's booties. But yeah, this is it. So we just done at the beach, actually going to the bus again because we have another event to attend to. Busy. I'm not sure if I'm going to to change my clothes or what, but we are invited at a picnic actually. So we just gonna get busy. Yeah, Shunapa. We are going to another picnic, who busy, and I'm still wearing a sweater that I wore yesterday to that other picnic. Hello, America. Happy Independence Day. Who busy? Busy. Yeah, no, busy. Yeah. One thing about Americans, they will feed you. They will feed you. Like, hey, ke kgathetse go ja. Ke kgathetse. Mara ke lakatsa papa, guys. Ke lakatsa papa. On a serious note, I miss eating papa. Papa ka le miss for that match. It's just makokwat and wallet.
Yeah.
See?
But
Yeah. So we just got off the bus and then we're heading to a person's place. I'm not sure if I'll be able to vlog. I'm not sure because I'm kind of anxious, you know. And then here's Bobbit, the guitar man.
Bobbit.
Yeah.
That's me, that's Beata.
I get one
From Lesotho.
Do you have one from Lesotho? Can I have one from Lesotho?
What?
Money, honey.
Okay, yes, I will give you.
Money.
I don't.
He's robbing me, this one.
I just got one from Tanzania,
Oh my
South
god.
Africa, and this one.
Which one?
I'm
Whose
not
currency
sure
is
if he wanted to give to me, but I made a pressure.
Oh.
But this
I'll
one,
give you one.
both of this, they are voluntary. Okay, they gave to me. This one I made a pressure.
Oh. Pleasant
Niger.
presence from Niger. Oh, I see. One thing about Americans, they will feed you. Hasale kitla mo. Ba re jisa dijo tse ngata. Ba re ngwathela ukwa. Ga ja ga mnatse. A se fela lady a se tsaka di hlaileng teng sham. Hasale kitla mo a ke tsa plastic surgery. Okay guys, we are here, so yeah, bye. very, 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 very nice. Wow.